Pyoginiti Sangulerim Sikyong la Samdishwata, Tari Pyogalini Dongyada, Shipshik, Ramne Shingdole, Dojube, 7 Tang. Chilini don't Chile, Dojube, 7 Subshi, Sadawich, to West Sangulet and Yerishoye. Gino Konskem Chumuchoki, Yaraki, Gasatilir, Gayon, of the Cheka, Lenzota. Ananda Aspen Yamshitine Kangi Tondu, Teshin, Zemning, Hindu Chozoki, Lenzo, Jesosor, Chipgurki, Kalubzevaso, Zeti, Gashikang, Korta. Sikyong Kyong Losan Senge Choki, Nyanda Chebe, Giji, Denja, Lengdeki, Lenzo ki Toling na Leshuki, Hong Kong Nanki, Ngogo Leguteni, Gyanala, Mangzu Legyu, Wanda Chi Yinche Songdu, Sangu Shipta Rimbesigona. Jino Konskem Chumucho, Dundangome, Sanju to Gyagaki Gasitilir, Gyayong, Lobde Cheka, Lenzo Tang. Ananda Aspen Yamshi Dinekangi Songdu, Teshin Zamning, Hindu Chozoki. Lenzo Jesus or Chipgyoki Kalopze Yevre. Chizini Sani Sapembe Nimor Konskem Chumuchogi, Springdale, Lobdena. Yagayon Lobde Cheka, Lenzo Su Chamze Keneta, Diki Kizawa Shenla, Pembachi de Yinkor, Galop Gachetu.
This not only just as a ceremonial way, but I think practical way.
I request Mr. L.V. Sehgal, former chairperson NPSC, to present a plant symbolic of organic life to His Holiness.
Thank you.
I now request Mrs. Amita Mullavatal and Mr. L.V. Sehgal to escort His Holiness for the lighting of the lamp as the choir renders an interfaith invocation.
Basic human nature is more compassionate. The way, you see, we born, according some scientists, after birth, next few weeks, simply mother's physical touch is major factor for proper development of the brain.
Deshin Kwanzi Choki, Tengdu ki Sheyun Lamluk na Domi Gu Chamsi Kongbe Tong Choki, Lupsu Tetum na Zamling na Shidi Trindapsu Pento Yonge Yimbayang Kazevata, Teje Tiotene Jenado.
Any troublemaker on this planet, not only in the past, but even today, these, as far as education or brain is concerned, they are very marvelous. Very sophisticated brain and very good education. Or highly educated. However, as I mentioned before, if we make some attempt and a proper plan, the way to educate humanity, because of basic sort of potential and basic nature, we can make more compassionate humanity. That's my fundamental belief. The problem, I really feel, I always talking in different other countries also, I talking, the existing modern education is very much oriented about material value. So not adequate education about warm-heartedness. And in education, you see, talking, or say the moral ethics, but often based on religious faith.
Chawateni gyagana gergi lobda cheka gyada ngabjule dobashik yindu wata. Kalop shiwar lobda suyo lobjita gegen teshin lome gotije kyomita sumdong zam charyodo. Tene konskem go chomuchoki ananta aspen nyamshi tine kanki chongdor ushoki zamning na shide twindap so nganzu changme gen kurgo be kalop ta kanyi ke kutse zegur zo sumgi kola ngote je yubre.
Some really wonderful sort of people, like late Mother Teresa. Her sort of dedication, serving people, particularly poor people, needy people. And her follower also, you see, number of them really dedicated. So such sort of enthusiasm, such sort of determination come from their faith. Actually, it's very right. Serving humanity, helping humanity, humanity as a creature of God. So serving humanity, helping humanity is best form of serving God, offer or worship. So therefore, all major religious tradition is the same sort of potential. So, and also, you see, we need different religious tradition because among humanity, people who have different mental disposition. So we need different way of approach. Same goal to produce or to promote inner value. Try to make sensible human being, compassionate human being. So all major religious tradition, basically theistic religion, non-theistic religion, when we look philosophy field, have big differences. But then, if you ask, what's the purpose of these different traditions, different sort of philosophy? Same purpose, to bring firm conviction about inner value. So, okay. So therefore, it is very possible and necessary to promote religious harmony.
Tishin Kazan Chizeni Saksumni India International Center she Gyaga Giji Dine Kanto. Ngadi Himachal ki Yoko Toncham ki Choksu Shenba Kusha Vijay Singh Mankurti e Tunga da Du. Kongi Tibe Pedepshi Konskembo Chumuchoki Unje Zedu.
Great day for me, Holiness. Two brothers. Hi, brother. Dr. Siddhartha Mehta, Sister Jaspal Singh, Ashok Jalwale.
Yan zamling Hindu lenzo suchida sunde shutun der konskem go chomcho kundren zo wor chebeb ki kalop je yobre. Hindu chezo ki lenzo su ge kup ngap chune kyon choja wa midang chikdong ge gya pe yobre. Kup ter komcho ki nganzu sangma do mi chikzong yinbe dushi zingyute ke chimbo yin ko kalop dida pepdo.
So, while we live on this planet, sometimes
we forget the sameness of humanity and too much of emphasis, divisions, we and they. We and they come on the second level of perceiving differences. Basically, every human being, no differences. I think when we sort of, experience a case, you just lonely escape some way, no other human being, then one human being see, the first thought to come, oh, there are one human being there. Do not consider what's nationality, what's color, what's position, status, or religious faith. At that time, in children, China, also you see, they simply one human being show love, affection. They do not consider what is their social background or religious faith or these things. So the reason why, you see, it is important to emphasize that a lot of problems today we are facing actually our own creation.
Pimitik zuki Sikyong kyong losan senge cho nyenda cheve giji denja lengde ki lenzo su zamling ki uti cheka tan len toling na chashe lan yubre. Candidate Tonker Halifax na resa pasa ne nyimusum giring giji lenzo te kozubata. Sikyong cho lenzo unje ki toling lesen chiki to lenshu ki juishi Tonker chigla chagna ni ki kyana ki Hong Kong chebe toling na tamshe na yubre. Kapter Sikyong cho ki nyecha Hong Kong na chungbe ngogwe legu teni. Kyana mangzu kacho stove ngwanda shik yinje sungshi. Hong Kong ki legu ni kyana shungta Hong Kong ki mimang la tsueda chebe shik yinje sungdu. Muti Sikyong cho ki gegab chigla lamlu ni chebe Hong Kong ki todang dini. Chil chigdong gubya ngabchu ngaji ki tao ngabe tse ni saksum ni pyo to kyana mimang jitun gegab ne. Zenshe wo chingi tuanzen chubdun la mingda goju watene chungwa shik yinba sungyabre. Yang pötön teve TV lentu Sikyong cho ki kyana shungi pömi to changnyon chisam che kyang. Pö china nige mito sumbu tsue sue tabzue dan chue dan ki yik rikshung che ba. Minyam gyunzin to la simkur shuk chenpu che shin yoba dan. Pömi shungi tenzu sangwa kyana shungi pö wangzin chebe che ne charlong chungwa shata yin kyang. Pötön to simshu ngan lakwa yoba lende na do. Tianangchi chilunyi tong gune su pyo na pimi kya tang sumchu soni ki pyo tuen renglu me se tang yoba ngoto yan nangdo. Yang kyana na mangzu lamlu ki pe nyo tan te Sikyong cho ki kyana na mangzu chung na yu ki pencho pege tang jiso na shitun yongyu yinba songdo. Doling lerim te na tamshe na ken te la England ngu kang ki talam nye song lopden kang ki tsokso tang. Shiti tang denja nyamshiti ne kang ki zonzi namnyi yoba tang lerim tsokyong. CBC Nyentin Gyulam ki sargobe nangdo. Sikyong cho mo decision ki kyaga sarva shebe gongdo sudun lezen chigi tola yang nyamshu ki. Kyaga ki uti chega ta, kyaga ki nedun to tonang yoyken soda lendo. Kyaga na nyi ta pyo ki nedun kola tredur yang chungdo. Candidate nang ki geji lenzo di kab Sikyong cho ne zamling nang ki chepsi uti chega ta lenchen. Ari trezo tumi makbun kyawang nyamshiba so minam mangbushik dan jete chungyobre. Geji denja lengdek ting tubu dena kyu mina cheka sumgya tsam lenshung na yudu. Halifax ki zerim tubne taring tsebani sabshi ni Sikyong cho Canada, Montreal ta Ottawa tongke na pepden na gyobare. Tsamdine taring ki sangyu tagashu samshagi yin pepden tebe sangyu shiftanam Tibet tsaner ta pyosa Asia deshin shisang zhiye tsa orgje shamgyo tazik tone sikyo ye. Shamla dharmsali namshi ngwanda ta pyo ki menzi kanki loto siruna.
Pyogelongi don gada shiji penda chuwe tse sumta jinda chukji tse ngishu zenga resa mingmar chungche samye tebe tseja shenba yu sonza kelje lede so gozam gyu zemge bata lakbar puyi namgo yinbe chugu kegar tonya ta chugu thongman nangne chila timirungwe isab nangyu. Pyogelongi don gada shiji penda chuwe tse shidang jinda chukji tse ngisadu resa lakba 중주 충이 체베 탈즈야보다 탈수 동와 줄슈 체바 경계 사바 견바 체줍 기초가 속라 상와유 개발 로다 파다 치왕이게 라사 케베 룽다토 예야 로다 따질니게 셰사임베 람루충 닌디 방자조니 침라 슈드 체베 리릭타 따르색남 잠바낭규 투제체